You all know my brother Teddy. He's the coolest looking woodworker when he's doing a project. Check this out. That took a long ass time to make. Oh, it was only 45 seconds, but it took hours. The funny thing is that Ted would sometimes do a shot that was really good. I'd be like, bro, I did not capture that in the screen at all. We had to redo it. Kind of like this shot right here with the ruler. It's just, I think it's really cool. It took about 10 takes. And so we just spent hours in the garage and then hours of editing. But just to get away from the travel vlogs for a bit while I'm here home, I've been watching these videos online made by Peter Linden, so it does some cool ones. Like this one of a poker game. And so I just want to make one of my own, and this is how it turned out. So let me know what you think, if it's cool, if it's lame, or if you look like this when you're doing a woodworking project at home. If you don't, I know I don't look anything like Ted does, but thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and subscribe. Peace. And go. Drop. All right, very nice. And go. Oof, that's good. Let's go again.